Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Mamta's Educational Plex. Friends, today we will discuss on accounting overview. Accounting is a business language. We can use this language to communicate financial transactions and their results. Accounting is a comprehensive system to collect, analyze and communicate financial information. The origin of accounting is as old as money. In early days, the number of transactions were very small. So, every concerned person could keep the record of transactions during a specific period of time. 23 centuries ago, an Indian scholar named Kautilya, that is Chanakya, introduced the accounting concepts in his book Arthashastra. In his book, he described the art of proper account keeping and methods of checking accounts. Gradually, the field of accounting has undergone remarkable changes in compliance with the changes happening in the business scenario of the world. A bookkeeper may record financial transactions according to certain accounting principles and accounting standards, and as prescribed by an accountant depending upon the size, nature, volume, and other constraints of a particular organization. With the help of accounting process, we can determine the profit or loss of the business on a specific date. It also helps us analyze the past performance and plan the future courses of actions. Friends, now we will discuss the definition of accounting. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountant has defined financial accounting as the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction, and events which in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Accounting is nothing but recording, classification, and summarizing the business transactions in a systematic way and to interpret the result thereof. We can understand by this definition what is accounting. Now, the main part, that is overview of our accounting, we must know the objectives and scope of the accounting. So, let's go through the main objectives and of the accounting. The first objective or scope of the accounting is to keep systematic records. Accounting is done to keep systematic record of financial transactions. The primary objective of accounting is to help us collect financial data and to record it systematically to derive correct and useful results of financial statements. The other objectives of accounting is to ascertain profitability. With the help of accounting, we can evaluate the profits and losses incurred during a specific accounting period. With the help of a trading and profit and loss account, we can easily determine the profit or loss of a firm. The next objective is to ascertain the financial position of the business. A balance sheet or a statement of affairs indicates the financial position of a company as on a particular date. A properly drawn balance sheet gives us an indication of class and value of assets, the nature and value of liabilities, and also the capital position of the firm. With the help of that, we can easily ascertain the soundness of any business entity. The next scope is to assist in decision making. To take decisions for the future, one requires accurate financial statements. One of the main objectives of accounting is to take right decisions at right time. Thus, accounting gives us the platform to plan for the future with the help of past records. It means it assists us in a decision making. And the last but not the least objectives and scope of accounting is to fulfill the compliances of law. Business entities such as companies, trusts, and societies are being run and governed according to different legislative acts. Similarly, different taxation laws, that is direct or indirect taxes, are also applicable to every business house. Everyone has to keep and maintain different types of accounts and records as prescribed by corresponding laws of the land. Accounting helps in running a business in compliances with the laws. So these are the basic objectives and the scope of accounting which we have to take care while dealing with accounting. Friends, accounting is very simple, and from these videos, step by step, we will know what is accounting and how does it operates in our business entities. So this is our accounting overviews. In simple language, I have tried to know or I have tried you to know the basic accounting overviews of our accounting terms. So friends, please keep watching, like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in our next video very soon. Till then, keep watching and keep sharing. Thank you.